Hello, welcome back again to my channel Dacty for You. My name is Tina. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I make this simple smoothie. It's so simple and very yummy. So let's get into this recipe. For this recipe, you will need banana. So I have here 2 bananas that I have cut and froze. You will need a frozen banana, so you need to do that ahead of time. And then you will need some peanut butter and chocolate powder. So I'm using Milo for this recipe. And then ginger and lemon. Ginger and lemon in this recipe is optional, but it takes the recipe to a whole new level. Yes. You will also need some milk. So you can use fresh milk, evaporated milk, or any milk of your choice. I'm using soy milk. So take your clean blender and then add in your milk. So you first add in the milk. The reason why I do it this way is that it helps the blending procedure to be very easy, since this one is frozen, so that I don't want to put the frozen banana in before. So go ahead and then put everything in the blender. The ginger, the peanut butter, banana, the milk, put everything in at this time. And then you squeeze a little bit of the lemon juice in it. As I said, the lemon juice in this recipe and the ginger is optional, but hey, I'm telling you, it's so yummy, and it gives it a nice aroma and taste. But you can just omit that if you don't like it. Go ahead and then blend this into a very smooth consistency. So that is what I'm doing right now. So thank you all so much for the love and the support. To my old subscribers, I say God really richly bless you. And to my new subscribers, I say you are warmly welcome to my channel, and I appreciate the support and the love. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. It's done. Now our smoothie is done. Go ahead and then serve it right away and enjoy, or you can just freeze it. If you want it a little more lighter than this, you can add more milk to it. If not, that's it. And I wanted mine like this. So as I always say, to each their own. So take the recipe and make it your own. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Until we meet again, stay safe and stay out of trouble. I love you. Enjoy. Bye.